This is Clay Kessler with Mr. Suter's 9th Bell Community Points project for quarter 4. What I have here is I boiled some cabbage juice, some red cabbage juice, and I'm going to test it on these 7 chemicals. I have Windex, this is countertop cleaner, milk, orange juice, vinegar, bleach, and water. What should happen is they should change colors based on how basic or acidic they are. And the water should not change. It should stay the purple that the cabbage juice is. So I'm just going to go ahead and test them. Alright, so the water is still purple. So that means it's neutral at 7. If it turns, well, we'll see what color it turns, but if it's below pH 7, it should turn a different color than if it's above it. So if it's above it, it's a base, and if it's below, it's an acid. Here is the bleach. Okay, so it turned yellow. Bleach is a base, so it must be lighter colors above pH of 7. Alright. Next we have alright, so after it turns a yellowish green, let's try the vinegar. Alright, this one's a pretty red color, so that's a lot different than the bleach. Next up is orange juice. That's kind of similar to the vinegar, just a little less clear. Now we have milk. Oh, so milk stayed pretty purple. That's a very light purple. Now we have countertop cleaner. This is also pretty purple, so that must be neutral. The countertop cleaner I'm using is Wellman's Glass Cooktop, in case you want to know that. Last we have Windex, or window cleaner. Oh, so this one's really green. Alright, so here's all of our chemicals. This is kind of the neutral right here. It's actually turned more bluish. So that's neutral, and then we have bleach over here is a base. And these are both neutral, and then these are acidic, and this one's a little basic too. Okay, I have added a mixture of baking soda and water, and then I added this, and it turned a pretty dark blue. And then I also ordered them in kind of similar to the pH. So this over here is pretty much 1 on the pH scale, and then it goes all the way up to 14. So the higher you go, the more basic, and also the more concentration of hydroxide. And the lower you go on the pH scale, closer to 1, the more concentration of hydrogen ions there are. The reaction takes place in these chemicals because cabbage contains anthocyanin, which reacts with all these chemicals and changes their color based on their pH level. So that's it. Thanks.